Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, everyone, it's time to teach you some practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。你知道吗？每到春天的时候，就会想到要出国啊，
去玩
啦，游山玩水啊，这样子。
大家都喜欢。
Exactly， 没有一个人不喜欢的，只要有个 money。
有钱有闲。
That's right. At this time of the year, a lot of people think about traveling or even thinking about studying abroad. So let's teach you terms associated with the word 游 which means play or traveling. 其实游这个字啊，它也有可能是旅游，但也有是游玩。所以游怎么说呢？ You 好油哦，可是这是很好的油，是 you, okay? That means traveling or play. So first of all, like here at ICRT, we tell you a lot about study travel. So let's teach you how to say that. 其实 ICRT 很多听众喜欢去游学，学英文，
边玩边学。
对，没错，游学怎么说呢？
You hawk.
Okay, that's travel study. And then generally we just like to travel. Okay, 我们讲的旅游怎么说呢？
离行。
这完全不一样了，旅行去了。
对，
离行 Okay, so the word you is gone, but it becomes traveling, okay, in general.
那海陆腔的旅行，旅游啦，就是离行。
离行 Okay, a different dialect for traveling. 那刚刚第一次讲的是
离行，
离行跟离行。Okay, those are two different dialects for traveling around. And because the word yo or play can be used in different capacities in the Chinese language, an amusement park is actually called a happy playground or 游乐园，对不对？这个游也可以在小朋友的这个字典里面就会想到，
最爱了
赶快去儿童乐园啊，游乐园啊，对不对？好，游乐园 amusement park 怎么说？
游乐园。
游乐园 Okay, again, that's the amusement park. Alright, 我们应该造个句了，对不对？
对。
今天这个话题我很开心，让 Teacher Joseph 来教你怎么说我很喜欢旅游。
Okay.
好不好？ I'm going to teach you personally without the help from Alice to say I love traveling. 愛動好旅行 Yeah, there you go. I just made a sentence on my own. That means I love traveling. 来了，你講一次好了。
愛動好旅行。
愛動好旅行 There you go. That means I love traveling. So let's review some of these terms. Travel study, 遊學
You hawk.
You hawk, and then traveling, 旅遊
離行。
離行 And finally, the amusement park, 遊樂園
遊樂園。
遊樂園 And thank you for listening to ICRT's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.